Bebe Beats.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have my monthly Ivory Clasp unboxing. I'm really excited. I wish I could do these earlier in the month, but unfortunately it's just the timing of when my box comes. But this month's box is pretty big, so I'm really excited to see what's in it. For those of you who don't know what Ivory Clasp is, it is a handbag subscription service. And I think if you were to enroll today, it's $49 a month or $49 every other month, depending on what you choose. And you go online, you take a style quiz, they get acquainted with the kinds of handbags and purses that you like, and then they start sending you stuff. And so this is my September box, and we're just going to go ahead and dive right in. So upon opening the box, there's a coupon, I think, for like a skincare company, and then there's a little informational card with their thank you and their signatures. A few things on the back about Ivory Clasp: on trend in season styles, it's yours to keep, free shipping and free returns if you're unhappy with your bag in any way. They will send you a free return label, so that's great. Getting kind of pumped, y'all. Getting kind of pumped. It's been a while since they sent me like a big bag, and I'm more into really large bags that I can carry my whole entire life in. And oh my god, is this bag blue? I'm about to fall out. I think it's blue. That's my favorite color. Look at how beautiful this is. I'm in actual shock, but okay, let's go ahead and get right into it. This is a Bebe bag and retails for $119, and oh my goodness, it's blue. My favorite color. Okay, so without ruining the integrity of this bag, right off the bat, it comes with a crossbody strap and then two handheld straps with some, looks like, fringe detailing here. And that is removable. You can actually take this off if you want to, which I'm going to do right now to show you. And then when you open the bag, all this paper out. On one side is a zipper pocket, and then on the other side, two pockets, and then large interior space. Oh! My eyes are watering. It's because I'm emotional about my bag. Just kidding. There's makeup in my eye. But I'm still very emotional about this bag. Y'all, do you see this? Okay, so out of all the bags I received thus far from Ivory Clasp, this is hands down my favorite. Look at y'all. Y'all gonna see me at the function rocking this, okay? I'm gonna be at the function rocking this bag, okay? I'm just floored. It's so beautiful. Oh, Ivory Clasp, thank you. And I hope you guys will consider subscribing to Ivory Clasp and get these wonderful pleasant surprises each month. And if you're a handbag aficionado like myself, then you will truly enjoy the subscription service. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you next time. Bye.
look on your face though.
Bruh. Bruh. Do you see this?
I see it though.
Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
Alright, now I can stop recording.
Bruh.